What's up, guys? Today we're going to be learning about how to find grades like out of 1,000 people, like 100,000 people. Like, look, these are a lot of people, and we got three names here. So first of all, to find the grade, we have to type the equal sign, and then VLOOKUP. We have to type VLOOKUP, and then and then we select one of these names, like out of all these ones. So okay, I'm pretend I'm gonna select Mariam. I selected Mariam, and now I have to do comma and then select the whole thing. Yeah, select this. Then press comma again, and then pretend. Okay, let's like I'm gonna. You see all of these vertical columns. So we're gonna select one of them. So science. I'm gonna select science. So we press 2 and then enter. We found the science one. So now, yeah, look, Mariam 65. It shows the same grade for science. Um, Now we're gonna, yeah, wait, yeah. So I'll type the answer here. It's for Mariam, it's not for Ali. So I found the answer here. I'm gonna delete it. And now I'm gonna type again V look up, and I'm gonna select Ali this time. And then I'll press comma, and then select the whole thing. I'm gonna select the whole thing now. Yeah. So I'm gonna press comma again, and then for grades, I'm gonna find the grade this time. So it will be column 4, and I'll press enter. I found the grade. Look, let's find it. Yeah, Ali's grade. It's B. So that's all for today. This is about learning on Microsoft Excel. So bye bye, guys. See you in the next video.